Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Citibank password step by step in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to reset your Citibank password. First, open your web browser or the Citibank mobile app and go to the official Citibank login page. On the login screen, look for the option that says Forgot User ID or Password and tap on it. Next, choose the option to reset your password. You'll now be asked to verify your identity. Enter the required details such as your Citibank card number, account number, or user ID along with your date of birth or other requested information. After that, Citibank will send a one-time password or verification code to your registered mobile number or email address. Enter the code to continue. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets Citibank security requirements and is something you can remember but others can't guess. Confirm the new password and submit it. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login screen and sign in using your new credentials. If you're unable to reset your password online, you can contact Citibank customer support or visit a nearby Citibank branch for further assistance. And that's it. That's how you reset your Citibank password. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more banking and finance tutorials, and leave a comment below if you need help with another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.